Have you ever stopped to think about what would happen if AI took your job? I'm not talking about 10 years from now. I'm talking about next year, maybe even next month, because it's already happening. Big companies are using AI to cut jobs left and right. Office workers, call center reps, even some doctors and lawyers, all getting replaced by a machine that works faster, never complains, and doesn't need a lunch break. So let me ask you again, what will you do if AI replaces your job? Most people will panic. Some will wait and hope it doesn't happen to them. But a small group of people, they're doing something smarter. They're getting ahead of the curve. They're building something real, something AI can't touch. What are they doing? They're building brick and mortar GLP-1 weight loss clinics. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have a medical degree, or maybe I've never owned a business before. And that's fine because you don't need to be a doctor and you don't need to buy a franchise either. This is different. These clinics use FDA approved medications like semaglutide and tirzepatide to help people lose weight. They're safe, doctor supervised, and exploding in population everywhere. Everyone from busy moms to business execs want help losing weight. And this is one of the most effective ways to do it. And here's the best part, you get full control. You own it, you run it, you keep the profits. There's no franchisor breathing down your neck, no corporate office telling you what to do. This is your business, your rules. And because these clinics are physically located, real offices with real people helping real patients, AI can't just swoop in and replace them. You see, AI can write emails, AI can answer phones, AI can even make art now. But what it can't do is greet someone at the front desk. It can't build trust with a patient and can't give someone the confidence to change their life. And when someone loses 30 or 40 pounds and gets their smile back, that's something no robot can do. So let me ask you one last time. What will you do if AI replaces your job? Will you sit back and hope it doesn't happen? Or will you take action and build something that AI can't touch? If you're ready to learn how to own your own weight loss clinic without being a doctor, without buying a franchise, click the link below. Download our free guide called Fat Profits and book a free call with our team. Your future isn't going to wait, and neither will AI. So let's get started before the robots do. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. From my lips to your ears, I love you. I'll see you next time.